Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you verify your account in Neteller. So to verify you simply need to complete the registration and prove your IDs and also add some money. So if you've completed all these three steps, then your account will be automatically verified. So let's get into the video. So log into your Neteller account. So once you've logged into your Neteller account, click on the pay online option. So once you click on that and go to get started, so once you hit on get started here, just add your address details. All right, so fill in your address, phone number details, and then click next. And once you click next, then it should send an SMS verification to your mobile number, to your number that you just entered. So just get that number and plug in the verification code here. So let me do that. So okay, so that's 99, right? All right, then hit on verify. Okay, so once you have verified, so now you just create a pin for you to a personal pin number that you will use for your Neteller transactions. So just choose that. All right, so choose a pin number and make sure you keep it safe and you don't forget it. So hit on save. So once you're done with that, next step. All right, so next step is that you just have to add a payment option. So you can choose either of these options here. So just choose anyone that you feel comfortable with, and then yep, so add in an amount. So just depending on your location, there will be a minimum amount, minimum and amount, deposit amount that you should be aware of. So for me, the minimum amount is $7, so I should deposit something more than that. So yep, that's it. And then click on continue. So just have to proceed with the payment. So just do the payments. I'm going to get my payment done. So yep, let me do that. All right, so I just made my payment. So I've successfully deposited my account. So next step, the last step here is once you have done with the payment, there will be an option here, verify account. So this is where you need to provide your ID and complete the registration, the verification. So here, click on verify account. All right. And then what you can do, you have a couple of ways where you can take a photo of your IDs using the webcam, or you can just use your mobile to take the photos and IDs. So I will choose the mobile because it's easier for me to use my mobile. So I will just choose that. All right, so I just submitted my IDs using my phone. So just need to follow the instructions and you'll be able to do that. So once I've submitted, so click on continue. All right, so it's now doing the verification process. So that's done. And then all right, so one second. All right, so next is asking for address proof. So you can either use one of these two options here. You can upload an address proof, so I'll just do that. All right, so I just submitted my address proof, and then next is click on continue, and that should be the last step. All right, so that's it. So at the moment, my address verification is currently under process. So once this is done, then I'll be all good and my account will be all good to my account will be automatically verified, and that's it. I'll be all good to fully use my Neteller account and transactions. So that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.